What is CSS? Why is it called a competitive exam? Who conducts this exam? Am I eligible to take this exam? How can I apply for it? What is asked in the exam? How should I prepare to pass it? What kind of job will I get after clearing it? What did the founder of Pakistan advise civil servants?
Have you ever wondered what it takes to join Pakistan's elite civil services? The CSS exam is the gateway for ambitious minds to serve the nation at the highest level. Its purpose is to select highly capable, disciplined, and visionary individuals who can contribute to governance with integrity and leadership. This exam tests not just your knowledge, but your analytical and decision-making skills across a wide range of subjects, from English, current affairs, Pakistan affairs, Islamic studies, general science, and everyday science, to international relations, geography, history, and your chosen optional subjects. If you dream of making a real impact in public service, understanding the purpose, objectives, and roadmap of CSS is the first step towards success. Stay tuned as we guide you through everything you need to know.
The CSS exam is conducted by the Federal Public Service Commission, FPSC, of Pakistan, the official body responsible for recruiting officers into the country's civil services. This exam is held once a year, typically starting with the MCQ-based preliminary test, MPT, in November, followed by written papers in February to March of the following year. Successful candidates then move on to the psychological assessment, medical tests, and interviews, usually conducted between April and June. Finally, the merit list and results are announced, and selected candidates begin their training at the Civil Services Academy. This structured timeline ensures a fair and transparent process for all aspirants aiming to join Pakistan's elite civil services.
Am I eligible to take this exam? Yes, if you are a Pakistani citizen or a permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir. Completed at least a bachelor's degree, 14 years of education, with a second division. It is important to note that always refer to FPSC website for opening, current eligibility criteria, exam format, syllabus and important dates. Useful links and files have been attached in comments. Keep view top comments for latest updates. CSS, the Central Superior Services Exam of Pakistan, is conducted in 4 stages. Stage 1 is the screening test, also called the MPT. It's a 200-mark MCQ test, and you need at least 33% to qualify. Stage 2 is the main written examination. It includes 6 compulsory subjects and 6 optional subjects, making a total of 12 papers. Stage 3 is the psychological assessment. Here, candidates go through written tests, group discussions, and command tasks to evaluate personality and suitability. Finally, Stage 4 is the viva voce, or interview. This carries 300 marks and assesses confidence, communication skills, and analytical ability. In short, screening test, written exam, psychological assessment, and interview, 4 stages that shape Pakistan's future civil servants. Subscribe to keep getting updates on format and way forward on preparation of all 4 stages.
If eligible, you can participate in CSS exam. FPSC has made the whole process of application automated and only online application are invited. Since 2022, MPT, MCQ-based preliminary test, is compulsory to take and pass to sit in main CSS exam. Candidates who have passed MPT stand eligible to apply for main CSS exam through FPSC portal. Various stages have already been covered in previous section. Current link and deadline can be found in top comments.
The CSS exam is Pakistan's most prestigious test, where not only your knowledge but also your analytical skills are judged. To succeed, focus first on the compulsory subjects, especially English essay and précis, where most candidates fail. Choose your optional subjects wisely, based on your interest and strength, and make daily writing practice a habit. Read newspapers like Dawn regularly to stay updated on current affairs and Pakistan affairs. Follow a disciplined study routine of 4 to 6 hours daily, balancing preparation, writing, and revision. Solve past papers, take mock tests, and sharpen your critical thinking. Above all, remember that consistency, dedication, and courage are the keys to becoming a successful CSP officer.
The CSS exam opens the door to a world of opportunities where you can serve your country, influence policy, and lead change at the highest levels of government. Successful candidates can join elite departments such as the Pakistan Administrative Service, Police Service of Pakistan, Foreign Service of Pakistan, Inland Revenue Service, Pakistan Customs, Commerce and Trade Group, Audit and Accounts Service, Information Group, Military Lands and Cantonments Group, Postal Group, and more specialized branches. Whether your passion lies in administration, law enforcement, diplomacy, finance, or public policy, this exam is your gateway to a career that is challenging, rewarding, and impactful. If you've ever dreamed of making a real difference in the nation, understanding the CSS journey is the first step, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Founder of Pakistan advised the civil servants while addressing in Peshawar in 1948 in these words:
"You should have no hand in supporting this political party or that political party, this political leader or that political leader. This is not your business. Whichever government is formed according to the Constitution, and whoever happens to be the Prime Minister or Minister coming into power in the ordinary constitutional course, your duty is not only to serve that government loyally and faithfully, but, at the same time, fearlessly, maintaining your high reputation, your prestige, your honor and the integrity of your service. If they try and interfere with you in this way, I say, they are doing nothing but disservice to Pakistan."
Subscribe and like the video to remain connected and learn the eligibility requirements, process and way forward to join other elite service of Pakistan like Pakistan Army, Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Navy and many others.